Istana came alive with music, dance and activities as thousands gathered to celebrate Deepavali. Children enjoyed playing in the Istana grounds, while the bravest visitors got a close-up encounter with some scaly creatures. This is Vanilla. She is a ball python and she is one of 3 species of reptiles found here at the Wildlife Reserves of Singapore booth. Now these animals are here today because they're all confiscated, so they're here to actually spread awareness to Singaporeans of the importance of combating illegal wildlife trade.
So I always thought it'll be like very cold, but it's quite smooth and it's a good way to help, people are usually scared of snakes. They see a snake, they'll run in the other direction. And conservation is a good way of protecting them, the environment.
We just happened to walk past.
Yeah, and we just thought that it's a good time for us to just take a look around the Istana because we've never been here before.
I think we want to spend time as a family, and my wife comes from a different background, so this is a good way to showcase her what Singapore is.
Fancy a taste of the Istana? These cookies are made with spices and fruits found on the Istana grounds. President Halimah Yacob also unveiled the Bicentennial Orchid.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we present to you Proshila Singapore Bicentennial.
Along with 4 updated editions of the Istana books and a multimedia interactive site.
The Istana is not just an icon, it's not just a national monument protected under our law, but it is also a very important part of our heritage and history. But how does one appreciate our own heritage and history if we don't have an idea, a sense, a feel about the Istana? So what the books, the multimedia interactive site seeks to do is basically that, for Singaporeans to read about the Istana, get a feel of it, a sense of it. It's part of our legacy, it's part of our independence, it's a part of our story.
We're very happy to have the chance to work on this project with the Istana to celebrate its 150th anniversary. It's a beautiful interactive project where you see the videos and you get to go into places, parts of the Istana that most people would not be able to go to. And this is like having a virtual open house at the Istana almost every day.